Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Spiralize tool that's found within the characteristic feature, and this will be for PrintUP software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're heading into the program here. So now today's video we're going to be looking at the Spiralize tool. Like I said, I mentioned this will be part of the characteristic feature. So now in order to locate it, you can simply go to your main menu on top here. I'm going to zoom in for you guys, fix my zoom, and then if you click on the characteristic, you go down and you'll see we have here Spiralize on and Spiralize off. Now, if I go into the preview, unfortunately though, we cannot see it in the preview if it's on, but I will just go there in any case to try to explain what happens. So now by default, when it's off, the 3D printer will print your letter or channel letters in layers. And what happens is if I use this top layer and minimize or reduce the actual process, you'll see here right in the beginning we've got this little edge over there. Now, as I increase it, it will run along and print the first top layer until it's complete. Now what will be happening with the Spiralize feature, it will start at one point and go in a circle, and when it finally gets to this point, it will kind of just climb at it like a step and carry on. Now this can be convenient in some ways, but personally the problem I find with it is it's very hard to get a nice level top surface at the end. So when your design's finally done, you will have somewhere a little end where it climbed up all the way or spiraled all the way to the top. So yeah, you can use this. I recommend just going with a normal one where it just does a layer at a time. With the Spiralize, yeah, it can be convenient in some cases, but in most cases I like to just leave it off. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the Spiralize feature. Just make sure if you do not use it, to go to characteristic and switch it off again. But give it a try, see maybe it works for your design needs. Yeah, otherwise that is it on the Spiralize tool. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.